Let's see how to commit and push to GitHub from VS Code. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. First, you need to go to Google and download Git, because without Git, we can't do anything. So just search for Git download, click on the first link you see, choose your operating system, and install it normally. Once Git is installed, now go to GitHub and click on New to create a new repository. Give it a name and create it. Now open VS Code. Go to Terminal and open a new terminal window. Type Git in it and hit Enter. Then type git add dot. Now type git commit-m initial commit. After that, set up your Git user. Once that's done, type git commit-m initial commit again. Now type git push origin master. You'll probably get an error, but don't worry. To fix it, copy your repository link, and then type git remote add origin your repository link. After that, type git push origin master again. And boom, your project is now live on GitHub. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.